Today I'm going through some of my clothes. I need to decide what to keep or what to toss because it's too much. For example, this top, it still has tag on. I never wore it. It's look cute. This one side, so probably this one I will keep. Really nice corset top. It's pretty new. I bought it last year on Zara sale, so this one will stay. I probably will find where to wear it. Even with this jeans, it kinda look nice. Let's try it. I actually like how it looks with these jeans. Kinda jeans make it less ballerina style or something. I don't know. I actually like it this way. Should stay probably. Here I have shorts, linen white shirts. I'm pretty sure they're too small for me. I need to check it. So yes, they are definitely small. So I will toss these shirts. Also I have this dress, but I actually wore it like skirt, like this. But you can also wear it like a dress. So this one will stay, and I also have a matching bodysuit. So this is a look. If I wear it as a skirt, it's really long, which I like because I'm tall, and most of skirts for me usually is too short. So buying it as a dress and wear it is like a skirt fits well. Next I have this white skirt. I really like this one. It's a summer type, really lightweight. I like this one. This one stays too. Here I have really strange top and I'm not sure I really need it. So I guess it's difficult to explain. I need to try it on. So you kind of wear first part, and second part you wear from back. Wrap it the way you like it. Keep it in the back or one side knot like this. Yeah, it's cute. I probably will keep it. I don't know why I never wear it, but I probably should. Next is this see-through top. I actually bought like a couple weeks ago from Zara sale also. One side, so I can show you. I feel like with, I don't know, maybe leggings it would be nice, or with slim fit jeans too. So this one is new and it stays definitely. Next one I have this cute bodysuit. So this is it, how it looks. Oh my god, I like it. So yeah, this one is definitely stays. I should wear it often, but I kind of forgot about it. So yes, I like it. Next I have here a bunch of skirts, short skirts, which I rarely wear. This one I like because it's asymmetric for one side, which is look really cute. So this one stays. This one, on the other hand, I'm not sure I need it since I have that one. So I think this one I need to toss. Next one, I have this skirt shirt. I really like it. So this is how this short skirt look like. This one is one of my favorite shirts, so I wear it pretty often. So this one is definitely stays. This one I'm not wearing too often. I usually wear it with vests. Cute. So this one stays. Also I have leather skirt. Usually I wear this one in the winter time. With high boots and sweater, with long oversized sweater. Here is one more cute top I bought last year from Zara for $9. It's like one side longer, a symmetric one. This one I like too, and I will keep it. Also, one of my favorite bodies is this one. It has holes on the side, so it looks really cute. I wear it really often. I bought it in Zara too. I like the material, but somehow I don't like how it looks on the bottom. This A shape, I just don't like it. I don't know. So yeah, this one I probably will toss too. Favorite, always wear it for the beach. And this one, they both high-waisted, which I like. These shorts, it's like skirt in the front and shirt in the back. This one will stay. Next one, I have these pants. They are see-through. I guess I can wear it with, I just don't like, why I bought a gold one? I don't like gold. I probably could wear it with some oversized long t-shirt to compensate all this shiny stuff and make it a little bit more calm. So yeah, with oversized t-shirt it would be nice. I have this cute sweater. I think this one should stay too. I probably wore it once. Interesting way to open a shoulder, I would say, with zipper. So I have matching skirt, which I never worn. So maybe I still can wear it. Probably I will keep this one. Next one, I have this leather top. This one is my favorite. I wear it all the time. So I really like this one. And this one is different stays. So I have these shirts, like summer beach white. I guess still has tag on. I never wore them. I'm not sure I will. Let's try it on. Cute. I don't know. For beach day probably. Something is off here and I can't tell why or what. I like something. I can't explain. I'll toss it. I can. Next I have also two corset top like this. I actually have matching skirt for this one, and this one will stay definitely. I'm not wearing it often. I like long skirt and matching top like this. So this one I bought from Zara too, like a couple years back, so it's not freshly bought. My favorite. I wear it really often with everything, with skirts, with linen pants, different shapes, color. Usually wide leg pants looks really good, or skirts, longer skirts, not short skirt. So it had this cute belt, so it really looks cute with something simple on the bottom. um, yeah, I like this one. This one will stay. I never wore it. It looks cute, so I'll show you how it looks. So this is it. It looks cute, but I don't know where to wear it. Next, I have this beach dress. I wore it last year for the beach. Swimsuit under. So yeah, this dress will stay. I like it. It's a little bit complicates the look. So this one stays. Crop top. I like it, but I never wore it too. I always thinking that I will and never do. I'll keep it anyway. I feel like it would be look good with linen black pants or something, and it stays too. I have also corset top, dark denim. I wear it often with, I have matching jeans. I like when upper and bottom in different fabric. For example, this denim top, and on the bottom I usually wear like silky pants, and it looks really nice. So this one will stay. Next I have this crop top. I actually don't remember when I wear it last time. I think this one will stay too. Also I have this top, one side. I bought it last year also in Zara sales. I haven't been able to wear it yet. Maybe this summer on a vacation I will keep this one. It's not the time yet. Also have one more body. It's really nice. One shirt sleeve, and this part is open now. So this is how it looks like. Yes, I definitely will keep this one. I like it. I'm probably done for today. I will do next part soon. So see you next time.